Hola amigos, and welcome to another video here on Baja Paradise. Today we're at this secluded beach here in Puerto Escondido, or you can call it Playa Escondido. And let me get across this. Whoa! I made it through. Oh wow, that was awesome. Yeah guys, I'm here in Puerto Escondido, Playa Escondido. Very secluded beach here. Beautiful. I'm here just walking around, exploring. Man, it's a marvelous place to be at, guys. Look around, check it out. Look at this place, fellas. Magnificent. Just magnificent here. Today is I think it's a Wednesday, and it's April, and my gosh, it's just beautiful here. I came in with my wife from the Aventuras. She's back there somewhere with my friends, but yeah, check it out guys. Really beautiful beach, lovely weather here today. And those are the houses. I think some people live up there. I don't think I've been up there before, but we'll sure like to visit up there one day. And this beach looks pretty clean. I mean, it's not that dirty. I see some beaches where people just leave trash all over the place, but since this beach is kind of secluded, not that many people come here, and yeah, they keep it kind of clean. I mean, it's I think they charge like about, what is it, 50 pesos, which is like $2.50, $2.50 to park up there on the parking lot. And either you could go to Playa Cocodrilo, or you could come down here to Puerto Escondido, and yeah, just take a little stroll, take a little walk, enjoy the beautiful Pacific Ocean. Look at this, guys. I mean, this is just awesome. A little bit windy here. I hope the mic's not picking up that wind too strong. But this beach here, let me show you guys. That way over there, that's Puerto Zeppelin. I think I've done a video there before. Back in my old videos, it was a ASMR video that I used to do back in the days. But over there's Puerto Zeppelin, Playa Arbolitos. I probably have some videos over there soon. But I'd like to show you guys what awesome this place is. Look around, people. Look around. See that? Nice waves. I don't know if you can surf here because the waves look kind of. Oh wow! Look over there. Yeah, that look okay. I'm not a surfer, but I mean I can see a good wave sometimes. Maybe so. Yeah, maybe catch a little wave there, not too big, kind of small. But I know there's one beach called Playa San Miguel. Yeah, Playa San Miguel. It's on the entrance of Ensenada, and I know that a lot of people go and surf there. One day I'll show you guys that place too. A lot of surfers like to go there. I have a few friends that surf over there, and I will show you that place soon. That's San Miguel. But anyway, we're here at Puerto Escondido. Some people know it as Playa Escondido, meaning hidden beach or secret beach. But, wow, I'm just loving this place. Check it out, guys. This place, it's maybe about on the way to La Bufadora and at Campo 9. If you're going to the Bufalora, it'll be on your left hand side, and yeah, maybe it's a 5-minute drive off the road. Charge you like 50 pesos, guys, and really accessible place. You guys see that rope over there? Let's see if I can get close to that rope over there. But that's a rope that you have to climb down to get here. So there's 2 of them, and like, yeah, you have to. This is only one way in, one way out. If you go that way, you can't get out. The beach ends right over there. Well, it starts over there, and it ends way over there where I just started the video at, guys. Wow, look at this place. Nobody here but me. Well, my wife is back there with her friends, but yeah, they're out there hanging out. I just wanted to show you where I'm at today, fellas. But yeah, I'm taking you guys to the rope. I'm gonna see if I can climb up there if I get injured. And yeah, there it is. That's that famous rope that you have to climb down or climb up, however you want to put it. But let's take a, see that? That's the rope you gotta climb up. And start this climb here with one hand. Oh boy. Doing it, guys. Climbing up. Look at that, huh? We gotta climb up this rope on these rocky. Look at that. Huh? Almost there, guys. Let's climb up. Let's climb up. Real easy. If I could do it with one hand and one hand on the camera, you can do it too. Almost up there, though. Check it out. See? Well, did that one real easy. Yeah, that was it, guys. No, nothing to it. Real easy. Look at that. I see my wife and friends are coming all the way. They're walking, and I'm already in top here, so I'm gonna show you. Oh, there's a boat over there. Look at that. It's a fisherman, I figured. And all those floating devices over there, I think that's where they fish for tuna or lobster. I'm not really sure, but they get some kind of seafood out there. You know, man, this Baja California is such a beautiful place to visit. Really love it here. Beautiful place. Like I said, people, if you guys ever come and visit this beach, please don't bring your trash. I'm not telling you to pick up somebody else's trash, but that'll be helpful. Just don't leave your trash here, because we want to keep it beautiful, keep it safe for everybody, for the environment, and yeah, people, yeah, be respectful. Right now I gotta keep walking that way. Let me show you guys a little bit here. I gotta walk up another think 20-30 minutes. I gotta hike back to my car, and I gotta go through all that way over there to that peak over there, and to the right to get to my car. And yeah, but I'm not gonna make the video long for you guys. Just gonna make it short and simple, so you guys can see and feel where I'm at. Just love it. Beautiful Baja California. Come and visit one time. And again, please subscribe to Baja Paradise. Leave your comment, leave your like. Also visit our second channel, me and my wife. It's called the Aventuras in Spanish, and we do mostly the same type of videos. Only one is in English, one is in Spanish. And thanks for coming, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.